All right, on my charger. Placing the dashboard. A lot of folks may not know, you do not have to take the whole fucking dashboard off. I mean, whole dashboard out. You do not have to take the whole dashboard off. This is simply a cover. See where the airbag at? When you're in a collision, all Chargers, 300s, Challengers. I don't know why Dodge made that shit like that, but this ain't nothing but a dashboard cover. So, you know, of course, I took my bezel off, instrument cluster. Got a screw right there. Got another screw right there. Got a screw right there, screw right there. Then you got some screws. You get some screws along this bottom over here. Then on the other side, in the door jamb, you get 2 screws as well. I'm pretty sure you got a few more, but when I get to it, I will show y'all. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'll pop this little piece up. It might feel like you're gonna break it, but you're not. And oh yeah, you're gonna have to remove these A-pillar on both sides. Nobody just set up and just made no video on YouTube about the shit, so I guess I'll be the first one here. I guess the motherfuckers scared to make that damn video, tell what it is. Yeah. Shit, each one teach one. This little piece right there, slide that out. You can see it. Push the little tab. Just do the same for the other side over here as well. So now, we're gonna have them 7mm screws. You got 1, 2, it's right there. And you got a 3rd one, it's right there. All right, now on this passenger side, just wanna get that popped off. Like I said before, get the screw right there, that screw right there. All right, so behind this little turn signal clock spring deal or whatever on your steering column, you got a screw right there, as well as the other side down there. You got one at the very bottom. And like I said, when you begin to take the other one off, got that screw right there. That screw right there, screw right there. Got a screw right there. You can pull the radio bezel off, instrument cluster bezel, whatever you want to call it. Two screws up in there. Behind the instrument cluster, you're also gonna take the instrument cluster off too, which is gonna have a screw right here, screw right there, right here, and also right there. And you're also gonna have 2 screws up in there that you need to take, I guess, a short screwdriver. Get back there on both sides. You're gonna have 2. Then, like I say, you're gonna have about 4 screws up in there. You're gonna have those too. You're gonna have those 3 7mm up there behind each of those speakers. All right, so we back with another one. So yeah, like I said, yeah, 4 screws along the glove box. They ran right here, 4 screws. Then you had another 2 down there. And then you had 2 inside the glove box that was along that right there. Then that'll drop the whole glove box down once you pull these, once you just slightly pry it out, you know, with your panel popper tool right here. Then we're gonna get to those 2 little screws, well 3 little screws right here. And then you have another 3 screws that hold the actual dashboard. And it should be able to be released once you hook your speakers and all that stuff from up there. All right, so back to taking this apart. I just thought it'd be easier just to go ahead and hit those 2 screws that was down at the bottom, just connecting this center console. Because they got some that's right up there. And as you can see, I slightly was breaking it because I was tugging on it. Because I thought it was a clip right there. Well, I mean, it is a clip, but I don't know why. It was still held in because I didn't take those apart. But like I said, I just went on ahead and took these 2 center screws out right there that's behind the radio, because they bolted in on this metal bracket right there. If you can see the metal bracket right there. There's 2 of them. Right there and right there behind the radio. So then the whole dash will come up. I went on ahead and took, let me see, you got 6 screws that look like, you got 6 screws that look like that. They hold the airbag assembly in. I'm not too sure if that was even needed to pull out, or maybe they would have just came out with the whole dash cover. But I just went on ahead and did it just in case, you know. But other than that, it should be ready to pull out. I'm gonna drop the column down a little bit just for, you know, a little more adequate clearance. And then we should be cooking with hot fish grease. It's mozzarella. And once you get the screws loose, see how the whole dash just come out. Just pick it up and pick the front up and pull it out. Pull it towards you. Finally, let's dash out. I ain't too much care about them ducks. I got some other ones. Gotta get my button out of there. Got the dash installed. Everything completed. Everything I put up, just more like 8 pillars. That'll be it. No more hole. Everything is installed. It's all nice and clean. So like I say, get your set of screws down there. They also along this opening. Then on the other side, you got 1. Inside the door jamb, you got 2. You got 2 down up in there. When you take all this stuff off, you got 2 behind the radio. You got 1 down here. You got 2. You got 2 going up that way, up in here. You got 2 behind the radio. You got 1 right there, and then you got 2 to take this kick pin off. And then you got your 3 7s that run up top. Some of them might be 6.5s, some of them gonna be 7. So just be prepared.